Here, honey.
So, I have daytime television to thank for this little bit of an idea, but the idea is that it slows the dog down from eating their food too fast, makes it a little bit more of a challenge, and it's a little bit like those conch shell things that you stuff with peanut butter or food or whatever, and they just have to work a little bit extra for their food. Normally, it takes Honey about 3 minutes, 2 minutes to eat her food. This took her 7 minutes, and she seems to like it. Uh, so I don't know. Seemed like a good idea. If she starts chewing up the egg carton, just get a new egg carton. There you go.
What do you make of this, honey?